Pour a little olive oil in your pan. Place the salmon in the pan over very low heat. Skin side first. Add salt and pepper. After 7 minutes of cooking on the sky side, turn the salmon over on the flesh side and cook for 2 minutes, always on very low heat. Then always with a very low heat, we will fry a little onion and a minced clove of garlic, avoiding to color it. Then we put a small cup of white wine and let it evaporate by half. Then we add 3 ounces of fresh cream, I'm always on low heat and I add a little salt and pepper. Leave to cook for 1 to 2 minutes over low heat.